after the recovery of the 130 kilograms of heroin from a house near Chandigarh and the possible involvement of Olympian medalist Vijender Singh, the Punjab police has launched a massive investigation into the roots of the drug trade in the state. While investigations are in a preliminary stage, the police have already stumbled on an international network behind the drug trade.
A 130 crore drug haul and a confession that two champion boxers, including Olympic medalist Vijender Singh, took drugs from arrested drug dealer Anup Singh Kahlon. The latest case to highlight Punjab's widening drug smuggling network with links in Canada, the United States of America and European countries, and allegedly involving sportspersons, including an Arjuna awardee.
आपने वो ड्रग्स का सेवन करा?
वो हमें पता पोर्टफोलियो समझ के गया, तो ड्रग समझ के नहीं किया।
कितनी दफा आपने उसका सेवन करा?
3-4 बार किया।
और विजेंद्र ने भी उसका सेवन करा?
वो फूड सप्लीमेंट समझ के किया, ड्रग समझ के नहीं किया।
कितनी दफा?
2-3 बार।
The police say the boxers may have only experimented with the drugs and they may get a clean chit. But the focus is on Anup Singh Kahlon, a former athlete who operated an international drug smuggling network. Kahlon is one of the 3 drug kingpins exposed after the recovery of hundreds of kilos of narcotic drugs in Punjab in the last 2 months. The second man, Raj Kandola, was arrested last year. He is considered the king of synthetic drugs in India. And the third is Arjuna Award winner Jagdish Bhola, a former Punjab Police Deputy Superintendent who represented India internationally in wrestling. The police say he is the mastermind of the drug racket in Punjab. Police say Anup Kahlon returned from Canada in 2009 to set up his network in Punjab. He allegedly received drug consignments and sent them to Delhi and Canada. In 2010, 3 Chinese men came to Chandigarh and took consignments of his synthetic drugs meant for the United States and Canada. Sources say drug dealers from the Netherlands were also in touch with Kahlon. Kandola, now in Tihar jail, is said to be worth 200 crores. Originally from a village near Jalandhar, Kandola migrated to Canada and returned a few years back to set up a party drug manufacturing operation. The police started tracking Kandola last June after a drug manufacturing unit was busted near Jalandhar and some 50 kilograms of chemicals meant to produce party drugs were seized. As we visited Kandola's farmhouse near Ludhiana, his gatekeeper told us there were many VIP visitors here.
This luxurious farmhouse is a testimony of astronomical rise of Raja Kandola. He bought this farmhouse around 2 years back. It is said that he used to manufacture synthetic drugs at this place, and not only that, he used to entertain his high-profile guests at this farmhouse.
Former Punjab police officer Jagdish Bhola, an ace wrestler, was first arrested for drug peddling in 2002. He was arrested twice after that, once by the Maharashtra police but managed to get away. Till recently he was staying in Mohali, but since Anup Kahlon's arrest, Bhola has gone underground. The police say they were both working together.
This is the house of Jagdish Bhola. Once he was a wrestler and Arjuna awardee. Later on he joined Punjab police. And about 12 years back he was first arrested for drug peddling. And subsequently he graduated and became a kingpin of a drug racket. Now Punjab police desperately wants to arrest him. They believe he can provide them important information about other modules active in the state.
जो मेन कल्प्रिट है वो जगदीश भोला है, जिसके साथ ये लोग इन टच थे, जिसकी से ये हेरोइन लेकर के आगे फर्दर दिल्ली में कंसाइनमेंट देते थे और ये कंसाइनमेंट आगे स्मगल किया जाता था. इसके अंदर जगदीश भोला जब तक नहीं पकड़ा जाता तब तक इसके पीछे के लिंक को एस्टैब्लिश करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
Earlier, Punjab was the only channel for drugs smuggled from Pakistan and sent to Delhi and Mumbai, mostly exported, as international rates are almost 100 times more. But now a large amount of drugs are being consumed within Punjab. 3 years back, the Department of Health and Family Welfare in Punjab commissioned the Institute for Development Studies to study drug abuse in the border districts, Amritsar, Taran, Gurudaspur and Firozpur. The institute submitted its report in March 2010 and said that at least half the youth in the border areas of Punjab are addicted to some sort of drugs or alcohol. With Vikram Chaudhary in Chandigarh, in Delhi, Alok Pandey, NDTV.